Hey, what's going on? This is KI Motorsports, and you probably saw in the thumbnail where the thumbnail goes what this is, but we're going to unbox something today. A lot of you probably know what this is. I'm going to throw it up on the table there and take it out of the box. Alright, I'm going to open the box here. The steering wheel's in the middle. We got the horn button. And it is actually a horn button, not just a piece of plastic that goes in the middle to cover the hole. We got the most important part, the sticker. Then we're going to flip this up to get to the bottom of the piece of cardboard the steering wheel's on. Pop those out, and that'll free the steering wheel. Back the camera up here, see the whole thing. Take off the tape that protects it from the cardboard. And they put the logo on the front of this particular wheel in white. I'll let you see the stitching down in there. It's all super high quality, which is expected. There's the Made in Italy and the Authenticity tab. And I got a pretty dish steering wheel because I'm into that. The one in my car right now is a little too flat for me. So if you want to like, comment, and subscribe, the next video will probably be installing this once the rest of the stuff comes in.